Visit us on onestepenglish.com.
Business English. Vocabulary Part 2.
Let's learn English. Today, we will learn more about the terms that are common at the working place.
Remember, these words that we're going to learn can also be used daily or in public.
Work remotely. It means to work outside of the office. Work remotely. Here's an example.
I always work remotely on this cafe, because their internet connection is really fast.
I noticed that too. I might consider working here again.
Get off work. It means to leave at work. Get off work. Here's an example.
I'll get off work soon. Can we meet early tomorrow?
Sure, no problem. Take care.
The next word is commute. It means to travel some distance between places. Commute. Here's an example.
Do you always commute to work? Is it easier than driving a car?
Yes, I do. It's easier to commute for me. The fourth word is bonus. It refers to the extra money for work well done. Bonus. Here's an example. We will release the bonus in the last week of September.
Thank you, sir. I will spread the news to the accounting department.
The fifth word is salary. It refers to the money you receive regularly for your work. Salary. Here's an example.
I just got my first salary. Where do you want to eat tonight? Wow. That's great. Wherever you want to eat.
Pay raise. It is an increase in your salary. Pay raise. Here's an example.
I'm hoping they will grant my pay raise. I really need it right now.
I hope that for you too. You deserve a raise. The seventh word is promotion. It is an increase in importance and authority in the workplace. Promotion. Here's an example. Jen got the promotion. That's why we're celebrating tonight.
Congrats, Jen. Thank you for this dinner.
The eighth word is laid off. It happens when reducing people due to the company's fault. Laid off. Here's an example.
I got laid off at the company today. Almost half of the employees are gone.
Don't worry. You'll find a better job soon. Just take it as a break.
The ninth word is fire. It is when a company forces someone to leave their job due to their fault. Fire. Here's an example.
I'm not sure, but I think they will fire Marcus because of what he did yesterday.
Well, I'm not surprised. He actually did it before.
The last word is resign. It is an act of retiring or giving up a position. Resign. Here's an example.
I'm officially resigned. If you need anything, just call me, okay?
Thanks, Miss Smith. Good luck with your new venture.
Let's practice your English.
Ready your pen and paper, then try to answer the exercise.
Choose the correct answer.
Number 1. This means working outside of the office.
Letter A. Work remotely.
Letter B. Salary.
Letter C. Resign.
The correct answer is letter A. Work remotely.
Number 2. It means to leave at work.
Letter A. Fire.
Letter B. Get off work.
Letter C. Pay raise.
The correct answer is letter B. Get off work.
Number 3. It means to travel some distance between places.
Letter A. Fire.
Letter B. Laid off.
Letter C. Commute. The correct answer is letter C. Commute. Number 4. It is extra money for work well done.
Letter A. Bonus.
Letter B. Get off work.
Letter C. Promotion.
The correct answer is letter A. Bonus.
Number 5. It is money you receive regularly for your work.
Letter A. Work remotely.
Letter B. Salary.
Letter C. Resign. The correct answer is letter B. Salary. Number 6. It refers to an increase in your salary.
Letter A. Fire.
Letter B. Get off work.
Letter C. Pay raise.
The correct answer is letter C. Pay raise.
Number 7. It is an increase in importance and authority in the workplace.
Letter A. Bonus.
Letter B. Get off work.
Letter C. Promotion.
The correct answer is letter C. Promotion.
Number 8. It refers to reducing people due to the company's fault.
Letter A. Resign.
Letter B. Laid off.
Letter C. Commute. The correct answer is letter B. Laid off. Number 9. It is when a company forces someone to leave their job due to their fault.
Letter A. Fire.
Letter B. Get off work.
Letter C. Pay raise.
The correct answer is letter A. Fire.
Number 10. It is an act of retiring or giving up a position.
Letter A. Work remotely.
Letter B. Salary.
Letter C. Resign.
The correct answer is letter C. Resign.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.